Which foods help reduce anxiety? Certain minerals, vitamins, and antioxidants help ease anxiety symptoms. What you eat and drink may help relieve stress and anxiety. Foods that can possibly reduce anxiety fast include avocados, eggs, and oranges. Different antioxidants, minerals, and vitamins can help ease anxiety symptoms. For example, vitamin C is an antioxidant in oranges that helps reduce stress levels. You might want to avoid or limit foods and drinks that could worsen stress and anxiety, such as those high in sugar and fat. Consider talking to a mental health care provider who can offer you guidance and treatment options if you have a hard time managing symptoms at home. Anxiety causes intense fear and panic and affects about 19% of people in the United States per year. Read on to learn how diet may impact anxiety and what foods help reduce it quickly if made a part of a well-balanced diet. 1. Avocado. Consuming regular portions of avocado might help with anxiety due to its vitamin B content. Research has linked B vitamin-rich foods to reduce symptoms and lower feelings of anxiety. One medium avocado has several B vitamins, -1 to 6, folate B9, niacin B3, pantothenic acid B5, riboflavin B2, vitamin B6 2. Blueberries. Eating blueberries could be helpful for stress. Blueberries are rich in antioxidants, which help delay and prevent cell damage. A study published in 2019 found that, in postmenopausal people, increased dietary antioxidants lowered anxiety scores. 3. Calcium-rich foods. A study published in 2022 found that increasing your calcium intake may be helpful for your mood. Calcium-rich foods include dairy products like milk and yogurt and vegetables like spinach and kale. The researchers received data from 1,233 college students and found that those who ate more dairy and calcium were less stressed than others. They also noted that increased calcium intake often resulted in less anxious feelings and more resilience. For eggs, anxiety symptoms depend on hormones like serotonin and dopamine within your central nervous system. Egg yolks contain vitamin D, which can aid in nervous system function. Some evidence suggests that increased vitamin D levels reduce anxiety and depression symptoms and boosts. 5. Leafy greens. A study published in 2018 found that college students felt calmer, happier, and more energetic when they ate more vegetables. Included among the vegetables were dark leafy greens, carrots, and cucumbers. It's unclear whether upbeat thoughts or healthy eating came first. Still, the researchers found that healthy eating patterns seem to predict a positive mood the next day. 6. Nuts and seeds. Research has linked zinc deficiency to anxiety. A 1-ounce portion of raw cashews has 1.6 milligrams of zinc, which is about 14% to 20% of the recommended amount of zinc for adults. Some evidence suggests that magnesium also helps improve mood and anxiety symptoms. 18 chia seeds and pumpkin seeds are sources of magnesium. 7. Oranges. One medium-sized navel orange provides over half of the recommended dietary allowance (RDA) of vitamin C, an antioxidant. 2021 research has shown that vitamin C plays a role in the body's stress response and improves mood. August to 22. Oysters. Oysters contain more zinc per serving than any other food. You'll get 32 milligrams of zinc per 3 ounces of raw oysters, which is 291% of your RDA. 9. Salmon. Stress can increase levels of anxiety hormones, such as adrenaline and cortisol. Salmon contains omega-3 fatty acids, which help reduce those hormone levels. For example, research has found that omega-3 help reduce cortisol levels by up to 33%. 10. Turkey breast. Turkey is a source of tryptophan, an amino acid that helps produce serotonin. On its own, tryptophan may have a calming effect. A study published in 2015 found that high doses of tryptophan resulted in significantly fewer anxiety and depression symptoms and irritability. Drinks to reduce anxiety, just like what you eat, can help with anxiety, so can the drinks you choose. Some teas, juices, and water are some options to try. 1. Chamomile tea. A cup of chamomile tea could help you relax. Chamomile has flavonoids, which are antioxidants that might have anti-anxiety properties. Research has found that long-term chamomile use for several weeks might reduce generalized anxiety disorder GAD symptoms. 2. Fruit juice. Different types of fruit juices are available, but 100% fruit juices may be beneficial for anxiety. A study published in 2022 looked at the effects of drinking 100% fruit juices on anxiety, cognition, and depression. The researchers, using data from over 60 to 1,000 adults, found that those who drank fruit juice spent less time feeling anxious during the month. 3. Green tea. Green tea has the highest concentration of theanine compared to other types of tea. Theanine is an amino acid that helps relieve stress, induces relaxation, and works against anxiety. 4. Water. Water may decrease anxiety by working with the brain. Drinking water helps your brain get nutrients and energy for proper functioning. Foods and drinks to avoid. Some foods and drinks might worsen your anxiety and its symptoms. To prevent this from happening, limit your consumption of artificial sweeteners.